Hey guys, it's Miss Jennifer. Today we're going to do another activity that involves salt, glue, water, watercolor, or food coloring. So the first thing you guys need is a tray or a paper plate, anything where your paper can fit on. All right, so then you're going to need a piece of paper, preferably cardstock or poster board, something that's thick to be able to hold this. All right, the next thing, you guys can either use a pencil, a marker, or a pen. And you're going to draw on your paper. You can draw whatever you want. All right, so I'm going to draw something. Let's see, I will move out of the way. Let's see, I'm going to draw a heart.
Miss Jennifer, we can't see the heart with that marker.
It's okay because you'll see what happens next.
Okay.
This is just so I can have an idea of where I'm supposed to put the glue. Okay, guys? So I'm drawing this. So this is what my drawing is. Again, you guys can draw, you guys can write, you can do whatever you want on the paper. All right, the next thing you will need is glue. So now you're going to use the glue and you're going to put the glue over all of your drawing. So you're going to outline your drawing or your writing, whatever you chose to do for your portion on your paper. All right, so you're going to make sure you fill up the area with glue. All right, you're going to squeeze it all over. And then after that, we will need salt. So go ahead and get your salt ready for the rest of your project. All right, so I'm almost done. You have to make sure you have enough glue on here so you can fill it up with salt next. All right? Okay, so here we go. So our next thing is you need table salt. Okay? And you'll see why I told you guys to use a tray or a paper plate to catch all of the salt. All right, so now you're just going to sprinkle salt on your paper all over where the glue is. All right, and let's see. We're going to sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle all over. All right, and here we go. Just make sure you put the salt all over where all the glue is. Okay, so now you're going to shake off the rest of the salt that didn't stick to the glue, okay? The next thing you'll need is a cup of water. So the cup of water, and you can use food coloring or watercolor. I'm going to dip a little bit inside the container and then stir it up a little bit. And the last thing we'll use is an eyedropper. So we're going to use the eyedropper, and you'll see why. Let's see what happens to the salt and the glue. Look at that. So what is happening right now is the watercolor or the food coloring is being absorbed by the salt and the glue. So this is something called absorption. Can you guys say absorption? Absorption. So this is an easy project that you can do. You don't even really have to squeeze that much out because it automatically moves the rest of the way through the salt and the glue. All right, guys? So let's see. One last heart that I did. And because it's not dry all the way, I don't want to pick it up all of the way, but this is what mine turned out like.
That's very pretty.
Okay, so you guys can do that, and these are the rest of them that we've done today. And once they dry completely, you'll see how beautiful they turn out. All right, guys? So, again, the things that you will need for this project is a tray, paper, water, glue, a pen, pencil, or marker, watercolor or food coloring, salt, and an eyedropper. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I have this silly hat on my head, it was crazy hat day in class. All right, so take care, friends. See you later.